Okay, so got to play with the Jaguar. I'm gonna have to go through this thing. Needs a little bit of tuning. Okay, the Lola, the Porsche, and the Corvette. And the certificate. Model has been finished manually. The imperfections are not defects, but witness of a handmade job. I saw the video of the tour of the NSR factory. It was pretty impressive how they do that. How they use pizza boxes for their parts to do assembly. I have no idea how this one opens. This was my first NSR car ever, as that was my first slotted car ever. And there we go. Never owned a Corvette. This is my first one. I do have a Corvette engine in my Escalade though. Yeah, it looks a lot different than the Slotted. It's a nice looking car. I like it. I like it a lot. And this has the Anglewinder. Let's see how this runs.